The oil pressure sensor is located on the back side of the oil filter housing, red arrow. Unfortunately, you need to remove a lot of things to get access to replace it. To replace the oil pressure sensor, you will need to first safely raise and support the vehicle. Then you will need to perform a partial engine drop and remove the engine cooling fans, rear wing, tail lights, rear bumper cover, airbox, drive belt, and throttle. Next, you will need to remove the resonance tube and the bank 4 to 6 intake manifold. When removing the intake, you have the option of leaving the accessory brackets on, blue arrows, or removing them, red arrows. For additional assistance with all of those tasks, please follow the link provided at the end of this video, and remember to order replacement gaskets for all of the components you are moving. With everything removed, you can see the sensor on the rear of the oil filter housing indicated by the red arrow. Squeeze in on the clip and separate the wiring connection, red arrow. Use an E10 socket and remove the 2 mounting screws indicated by the red arrow. Pull the sensor out from the housing. If you are reinstalling the old sensor, you must replace the O-ring. Installation is the reverse of removal. Grease the O-ring with Porsche synthetic grease or equivalent and torque the 2 screws to 10 Newton meters or 7.5 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.